This video will go over how to use the Advanced Library Search feature in FUDSChem. To view approved, hard copy documents loaded to the FUDSChem library, you can go to Library, choose your project, and the type of file. For example, if we wanted to view lab reports, we could go to Library, Camp Richards, Laboratory Reports. Within each section of the library, there is a full-text search bar that allows us to search for not only document titles, but information within documents as well. For more information about accessing library files from the library menu, please refer to our Library Index Report and Library Searching video, linked in the description. If we wanted more search options and the ability to search across projects and file types, we could go to Library, Advanced Search. Note that any of the types of searching features on this page can be used in combination with one another or used individually. At the top, you can choose which type of file to look for, data or documents, for example. Next, the search text feature is available. You can search for documents based on the exact phrase, none of these words, etc. You'll need to select which field the text applies to, such as author organization, title, or file content, for example. We also have the ability to search for files that were published, uploaded, or modified within a certain date range. For example, if we wanted to see all of our files that associated with our 2017 sampling event, we can type in January 1st, 2017 through December 31st, 2017. Choose Date Published, and click Search. We pulled back various document types, including well construction diagrams, as well as lab and data validation reports. Back in Advanced Search, we can see that the selections we made previously have been cleared, and the interface is ready for new selections. The File Properties section allows you to search fields that are captured in the additional tabs of a library file's metadata. Note that some of these dropdowns will not populate until the previous dropdown is selected. For example, File subcategory will be blank until the file category is selected. Note that the administrative record status, classification, document type, and revision status are found under the Admin Record tab, while the DCMI type and language are found under the Advanced tab when initially populating metadata for a file. For information on submitting documents to the library, please refer to our library submission tutorial video, linked in the description. Lastly, we could search for files according to the organization. For example, we could view all files submitted by Environmental Synectics by selecting this option from the Author Organization dropdown and clicking Search. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.